If you're shopping the Nykaa Hot Pink sale, this video might just save your wallet. Skip the viral disappointments because I'm only recommending the drugstore affordable makeup products that are actually worth buying. Ready to build the smartest cart? If yes, then let's get started. Starting with the primer, currently I'm obsessed with the Forever 52 All Day Grip Primer and it is formulated with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, pro vitamin B5. I have been loving it so much because it is absolutely lightweight, hydrating, plumps my skin and keeps my makeup in check. Now, I really have some enlarged pores and to minimize that, I use this Milani No Pore Zone Primer which is my absolute favorite. It is silicone based but it's not thick silicone. It's lightweight, hydrating because it has a lot of skincare ingredients. It smoothens my skin and my texture and my makeup glides effortlessly. Next category is color corrector and currently I'm obsessed with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the shade 338. This is a warm toned concealer that helps to cancel out any kind of discoloration, pigmentation. It has a very beautiful coverage. Also, it's absolutely lightweight and hydrating and does not feel cakey or drying on my skin. Next one is Swiss Beauty Orange Corrector. This one is very vibrant and very pigmented and it is going to suit someone with more deeper skin tone. If you have deep dark pigmentation, discoloration, this is going to come handy. It gives you a medium coverage, does not budge, does not fade off, and it's totally lightweight and hydrating. It does not even crease on me, so that is one thing I absolutely love about this concealer. Next category is skin tint and I have to include this Inside Cosmetics Multifunctional Skin Tint, which is my favorite in affordable budget because it's hydrating, lightweight, feels absolutely comfortable and it is perfect for your everyday wear. It has got a good coverage with a dewy finish. It does not look oily or greasy but gives you a radiating look from within, and because it has niacinamide and rice water, it is perfect for oily skin types also. Next is Maybelline Fit Me BB Cream and my shade in this is 50. Now Maybelline has really nailed with the formulation because they have given us SPF 50. It feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating, no white cast and gives you a dewy glass skin like glow. If you are normal, dry, combo skin, you can totally use up this, and if you are oily skin, then probably you will have to set your face because within few hours it gets a little too shiny. The only downside is it oxidizes a lot. I am a medium tan skin tone with neutral undertone, so the shade 50 oxidizes and matches to my skin tone perfectly. Alright, coming to my favorite category, it's foundation. I love foundation and love to try out different formulations. So my recent pick is Tipsy Beauty Foundsealer. Why it is Foundsealer? Because it is a foundation concealer and also it has SPF 30 with PA 3 times plus. It gives you a medium to buildable coverage and also it feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating, gives you a soft satin matte finish, and also I have tested throughout this hot humid summer climate and it lasted pretty well. It has survived my sweaty skin. Also it is transfer and sweat resistant. Next is Inside Cosmetics Kush On You Cushion Foundation. I'm in the shade Caramel Tan. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this cushion foundation because under 400 you get such beautiful formulation. It's lightweight, hydrating, transfer proof, sweat proof, waterproof, heat proof, and it is absolutely true to color. It does not oxidize at all. It is very long wearing and feels absolutely lightweight on my dry and matured skin, evens out and smoothens out my skin without enhancing or emphasizing my texture. Kudos to the formulation and Inside Cosmetics team. Currently I am loving the L'Oreal Infallible Cushion Foundation. This is in the shade 257 Warm. It is a perfect shade match on my skin tone, even if I am little bit tan at the moment, but still it does not look weird. It does not pull off ashy. It has a little bit of golden undertone which looks very beautiful on my skin, and the coverage is medium. It evens and smoothens out your skin. It is transfer proof, sweat proof, waterproof. So if you're looking out for one cushion foundation that you can wear it like for your everyday wear or for special events, you can try out this. And lastly, my recent pick in the foundation has to be the Tete AI Cushion Foundation, which I'm currently obsessed with. Today I've used this and look at the shade match. I'm in the shade 30 and Rich Honey. Well, I have a dry and matured skin and I love how beautifully it sits on my skin. Gives me medium coverage, feels lightweight, hydrating, and gives that satin glow on the skin. It does not emphasize any of my texture or cling to any of the dry patches this on the skin. Goes on effortlessly like butter, and I am definitely going to get a full size this time. Now moving on to the concealer, and the only concealer I am using for many months is the Inside Cosmetics Mega Cover Concealer. This is in the shade MN20. I have been obsessed over this formulation because it feels absolutely lightweight, hydrating on my dry skin. Also, it does not emphasize any of my texture, gives me a medium coverage, does not crease, does not budge, does not look cakey, and also it feels absolutely comfortable without any issues. I wanted a good highlighter that does not look chunky and gives me that glass skin like glow, so I am loving this Makeup Revolution Beam Bright highlighter. This is in the shade Rose Seduction or Pink Seduction, and it absolutely gives me that glass skin like effect. It does not look chunky or glittery at all. Today I have used this. Look how beautiful it looks. It does not look fake or anything. Very smooth, very creamy, very buttery, and it goes on easily without giving that shimmery or chunky glitter particles on the skin, and it looks good on brown skin. It does not look too icy or too gray, but just right in between. Coming to the blush category, nowadays I have been enjoying the Sunkissed vibe, and the first one is from Maybelline. It is the Sunkisser Hazy Matte Blush in Hot Sunset. That's how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful warm rosy terracotta shade. Look how beautifully it blends into the skin, giving you that soft matte kind of finish. Gives you a very blurred out kind of look, very filter like look. It lasted on me for good 10 to 12 hours. I did not even top up with any powder products. Even it did not budge on my sweaty skin. It's a must-have blush shade. Next is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush in Sauve Mauve. This is my recent pick, and that's how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful mauvey shade. It's perfect for your everyday wear. It gives you that soft matte finish. Absolutely long wearing, and on my dry and matured skin, it lasted a good 8 to 10 hours. And I'm totally obsessed with this shade because it gives me a very healthy flush of color without looking too overly. And the last one in blush is the Blue Heaven Dewy Cheek Syrup, and my shade is Peachy Syrup. Just look at the amount I've taken, and once I blend it out, it gives you a beautiful healthy flush of color. Now this is a beautiful warm rosy terracotta shade, going to look perfect across all skin tones, and look at that glow. It does not contain any shimmer or glitter particle. It gives you a straight up dewy glass skin like finish. Like, I tried doing a wear test with this. It lasted on my skin for 7+ hours in heat, humidity, sweat. It did not melt or budge. It was intact, and because it has this dewy finish, it goes on easily like butter without picking your foundation. I am totally obsessed with the formulation. When you get such good quality in affordable budget, why do you need high-end blushes? Heading to the contour category, I use only these two products for my contour: the Forever 52 Cream Contour in dark and the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Contour in tan. Both of them are highly pigmented. Little goes a long way, blends like a dream, does not look patchy or does not lift my base makeup, and it's quite affordable too. If you're an eyeshadow lover like me, or a beginner who have just started with makeup, looking out for something good quality eyeshadow palette, then the first one I would like to recommend is the Mars Blooming eyeshadow palette in the variant Imperial. Look at the color story. It has that warm neutral tones, and the mattes are very pigmented, goes on like butter without any patchiness or bold spots, and the shimmers, they are very pigmented, though they have a little bit of fallout. So if you want to make it long wearing, you can use some glitter glue. Look at that one swipe pigmentation. Just look at it, how pigmented, how nice beaming it is. Next one is Forever 52 It's My Day palette. That's how the color story looks like. It's a beautiful neutral tone palette. I have tried all the shades, the mattes, the shimmers, the satins. Just goes on so easily, blends like a dream. No patchiness, no fallout, no kickback on the pan. Absolutely love this shimmers. They feel so buttery and smooth. So if you're looking out for something neutral tone eyeshadow palette for your everyday wear, for your nighttime look, you can try this out. This black, oh my god, it's so pigmented. And the last one is Makeup Revolution True Icon Bronze palette, and this is how the color story looks like. I absolutely love this cream eyeshadow that you can use it as a base and then use any of the matte shades. It just performs so well. Mattes, the shimmers, the satins, goes on easily. They have little bit of fallout. I don't know why I am drawn towards neutral tones, because it's something that calls out my name. It is my kind of vibe. So all the three palettes I have shown you is worth buying. Coming to the last category of this video are the makeup fixer and setting spray. The first one is NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is not your makeup fixer. It does not prolong the wear of your makeup, but it sets your makeup, melt down all the powderiness, giving you this soft dewy finish. And these two are something that holds your makeup, fixes your makeup in place. And if you want something for your heavy duty to keep your makeup in check for your events, occasion, you can try these two. And that's it, my top affordable makeup picks from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Which one are you adding to your cart first? Let me know down in the comments.